How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time, 2 tickets. We got 2 of the $20 $230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now, these ones here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. All right, today we have tickets 28 and 29. We're going to get started with ticket 28 and work our way up. This one here, we are looking for that money bag symbol to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's get scratching, get into it, and get some wins. This is ticket 28 here, and we're looking for 24, 19, 40, 13, 49, 4, 12. Let's start out with a 17, 30, 48, 21, 27, 7, 16, 29, 34, 11, 36, 43, 15, 31, 25, 8, 37, 2, 38, 5. Alright, last row here. 23, 35, 26, 28, and in the corner, we got 39. Alright guys, it looks like nothing on the first one. Ticket 28. Set that to the side. This is ticket 29 here. Looking for 33, 50, 8, 47, 26, 36, and my lucky 44. I'm going to start out with a 48, 4, 23, 41, 2, 1, 29, 25, 43, 40, 16, 35, 38, 30, 31, 32, 6, 37, 3, 19, 27, 18, 34, 45, 46 in the corner. Alright guys, it looks like today both of them are going to be losers. Alright guys, if you would consider hitting that subscribe button, give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.